If you're in the auto industry, whether you run a car or two-wheeler dealership, a service center, or a multi-brand workshop, your business involves long sales cycles, recurring service needs, and a lot of customer touchpoints. WhatsApp ties all of these together. Let's look at how, starting with the sales side. First, lead qualification for dealerships. When a prospect inquires about a vehicle through your website, click to WhatsApp ads, or third party listings, a chatbot can collect their preferences like model, variant, budget, financing needs, etc., and pass qualified leads to your sales team. Second, test drive bookings. Use WhatsApp flows to let prospects schedule a test drive at their preferred showroom, date, and time, and send automated reminders so they actually show up. Third, sales follow ups. Buying a vehicle is rarely an instant decision. Drip sequences can keep prospects engaged with EMI options, offers, brochures, and customer testimonials over days or weeks until they're ready to buy. Now, on the service side. Fourth, service reminders. Send automated reminders for periodic maintenance, oil changes, insurance renewals, and pollution certificate renewals based on the customer's vehicle history. Fifth, service booking and updates. Customers can book service appointments directly on WhatsApp, and you can keep them informed with status updates, estimated cost approvals, and pickup ready notifications, all without phone calls. Sixth, post service feedback and re engagement. After every service, automatically request feedback and reviews, and re engage inactive customers with seasonal service offers. For automotive businesses, WhatsApp is one of the few channels where the same customer relationship can be maintained across years and multiple vehicles.